Must watch for 100 times benefits. These are the best cryptos and altcoins to buy right now in October, and I'll reveal one hidden gem at the very end that could explode. Stick around, because you don't want to miss this. Welcome back to Cryptolytix, the channel where we find crypto opportunities before the crowd. If you're new here, hit subscribe and smash that like button so you never miss the next big move. Now let's dive right in. Let's start with Bitcoin. It may not give you 100x anymore, but it's the foundation of every bull run. When Bitcoin moves, the whole market follows, and October can be a turning point for BTC momentum. Next, Ethereum. With its ongoing upgrades and booming Layer 2 ecosystem, ETH remains the backbone of smart contracts and DeFi. It's a long-term winner that also attracts institutional investors. Now, Solana. This is where things get exciting. Solana's speed, low fees, and growing NFT plus DeFi ecosystems make it a serious contender. If momentum keeps building, this could easily 10 times. And with mass adoption, it may even push far beyond that. Another must-watch is Chainlink. It's powering the data layer of the entire DeFi world and bridging real-world assets onto the blockchain. With upgrades like CCIP, LINK is positioning itself as the go-to solution for institutional adoption. And now, the hidden gems with true 100x potential. Injective is innovating in decentralized trading, Render is fueling AI and GPU computing demand, and Kaspa is gaining serious traction with lightning-fast proof-of-work technology. These are high-risk plays, but they're exactly the kind of coins that can deliver massive returns. So, to wrap it up, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Chainlink give you strength, while Injective, Render, and Kaspa give you moonshot potential this October. Remember, crypto is volatile, so always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found value in this breakdown, drop a like, subscribe to Cryptolytix, and comment below which altcoin you think has the biggest upside this October. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.